welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pollen's Vanity Crib, and today's video is all about papakita ko sa inyo kung anong tools for the makeup cleaner na ginagamit ko and how it works, and nakita nyo na siya sa best of 2017 ko, and why I why I wanted to get this stuff so badly. So if you want to know more about this, guys, please do keep on watching. So guys, this is the box of the Miracle Cleaner I bought last December or last November at the Noel's Bazaar. Yan, doon ko siya nakita, and lagi ko itong nakikita sa Instagram and sa Facebook ng madalas. And I thought na sana makakaroon ako ng ganun kasi, guys, aminin nyo, sobrang hirap maglinis ng brush na in an instant matutuyo siya agad. So, kailangan talaga natin patuyuin yung brush mo, ihang pa sa wall, and so on and so forth. Pero dito, guys, in an instant, yes, you heard me right, tuyo na agad ang brush nyo. So, here's the box. Papakita ko muna yung box, guys, of the Miracle Cleaner, pero parang Miracle Cleaner, Makeup Brush Cleaner. Yan. So, this what includes inside. So, pakita ko rin later. This is from Peach Maiden. So, follow them in Instagram so that you'll know how you'll get this product. Actually, guys, this is on sale. Nung nabili ko siya in the bazaar, it cost me around 1,875, I think. Yan. So, nakasale siya buy one, take one. So, I bought another one and gifted it to my kumare. Yan. Na ngayon ay nagsisimula siya maging makeup artist. Yan. So, sana mag-feature ko siya one day here in my channel. Yun, my kumare does my makeup. Yan. Abangan nyo yan, guys. I'm so excited yan. Gusto ko rin yan. Anyway, so, when you open this, nalagay ko na siya sa vanity ko so that lagi ko siya nakikita. And every time na gustong-gusto ko talagang linisin or every time nagagamit ako ng brush, siguro pwede na weekly kasi hindi naman ako sobrang mabrush talaga. So, yung mga necessities lang sa makeup, yun lang yung ginagamit ko na brush. So, mapakita ko sa inyo yung favorite brush ko, yung Jessup. Yun yung lilisin natin later. So, inside, meron din user manual. Yan. So, ito yung itsura ng user manual niya. Guys, sana mag-focus. Yan. User manual. Yan. So, it says here how you use the brush. So, basically, tuturo ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya. So, ang kasama niya sa loob ay itong mga paraphernalia na ito, guys. So, we have a bowl here. So, dome siya, like this. Yan. And meron siyang like this. Parang merong, mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit siya palalim. Yung, ano nga dito, opening niya here. And syempre, we have this, what does it call? We have this Miracle Cleaner. Ito yung tawag sa kanya. So, we have the bowl. This is the Miracle Cleaner, yung spinner natin. So, meron ditong free na dalawang battery. It's a AA. Have to have a AA battery so that it will work yan. So, battery operated siya, guys. Yan. So, free na din siya. When I bought this, this set, free na rin ito, guys. So, here it is. So, that's it. Then, meron kang kasama here na different types of base. Yan, different types of base or yung mga colors kung tawagin. Yan, so, yun. So, meron kang like this one. Actually, itong malaki na to, this one, you'll put here. So, hindi siya tatanggal. So, believe me, lahat ng sizes of brushes, kasya dito, guys. So, ito talaga ay parang, ano ba siya, tailored fit yan sa mga brushes na ginagamit natin. And yun yung mga standard brushes na talagang nabibili natin or binibili natin or nabibili or whatever. Basta standard brushes siya, yung pinakadulo. So, mamaya i-discuss ko sa inyo. So, lahat na natatanggal, guys. So, what will you do is, for example, kuha tayo ng isang brush na gilinisin natin. So, I'll get this brush. This is a powdered brush yan, guys. Then, hahanapin ko lang yung ka-size niya here sa mga base. So, for example, I think this is the size. I know. Masyado siyang malaki. So, even the kabuki meron, guys. Ito yung pang kabuki, but I don't have a kabuki. So, yan. So, hindi ko madademo yung kabuki sa inyo. So, I think this is the size. So, dapat fit na fit siya, guys. Sobrang sikip. Yan. So, here it is. Then, ang gagawin nyo lang is this one, yung ito kasi natatanggal yan, guys. Itong, what do you call this? The spindle. Yan, yung spindle natatanggal siya. So, yung dulo niya, you have to attach it here. Yan. And you have to put it here. Yan, dapat siya ay attach na attach, guys. Yan. So, I'll show you the demo. Yan, guys. So first off, lalagyan ko muna ng water itong ating bowl. Now, I will show you kung gaano kadaming water you have to put in here. And then, I will use the Nippon brush cleaner. So, this is, guys. So, I will just get some water. Wait lang. So, ito. So, hindi ko finil yung water kasi hindi siya dapat i-fill. Paano ko i-explain yan? Kasi, an amount of water na kailangan lang niya dun sa dome, ito lang siya yan. Kasi pag finil niya siya, tatapon lang din siya, guys. Kasi mag-spin tayo, diba? Ng brush. So, you don't have to put so much water. Then, I will put the Nippon here. Yan. So, wait lang. I will put it here first. Yan. So, guys, wala kasi akong table. Nandito ako sa kwarto or sa beside my bed. Yan. Siguro mga gusto ko malinis na malinis. So, madaming patak. Ayan. So, sobrang daming patak doon. Ang lima ganyan. Kasi gusto ko siya malinis. So, here it is. Nalagyan ko na siya ng cleaner. Yan. So, let's start. So, excited. So, i-on lang natin. Here, ito yung on and off niya, guys. Sana ayan. So, here is the on and off. So, like this. So, what we're gonna do, ayan. So, we will just soak first yung brush natin. Ayan, kita nyo kung gaano kadami yung brush. Then, we will just spin. Like this. Kita nyo ba, guys? So, medyo mataas na spin. Huwag nyo siya ididikit kasi maghihinto siya like this, oh. So, kailangan nandun lang siya sa, body of water. Yung body of water. Nandun lang siya sa water. So, after that, spin nyo lang siya ng ilang seconds. Like this. Tayo na. O, diba, guys? Yeah. That's it. So, yun lang yung way niya. So, let's try dun sa maliit na naman. So, you have to remove lang this one, the base, from the spindle. Remove it. Lagi ko na siya doon. So, ito naman yung gagamitin ko. Yan. This is my blush brush from Jessup. Yan. Gusto ko sila kasi sobrang, what do you call this? Sobrang soft nila. Then, you have to put it here. So, hindi siya kasya, guys. Medyo maluwag pa siya. Pero, ang liit na nung opening ng base. So, yung next na meron. So, ito na yung next. Pero, hindi pa rin siya kasya. Tingnan natin yung isa. Yan. Kung alin ba yung malaking base. Yun. So, pagkakasyahin ko na nga siya. Kasi kailangan siyang malinis. So, yun. So, you have to, effort. Yan. Effort nyo lang siya. It's rubberized. So, hindi naman siya agad-agad masisira because this is rubber, guys. And good quality rubber. Yan. So, we have to put in the spindle. Yan. So, I think this is good. So, you have to test. Then, again, we will soak it up first. After soaking, so, ilang seconds lang. Then, voila! You check it. Yan. So, here it is. Oh, dry na siya. Pwede nyo na siyang gamitin agad. Yan. So, that's it. So, gahanap ko yung most convenient makeup brush cleaner. And no time for you to have, kuwari, isa lang yung brush set nyo. Then, wala na kayong time para hintayin pang matuyo yung mga brush na yan. This is a good buy and no sweat, diba? Kahit nakaupo lang sa vanity mo, like what I'm doing right now, you can just do and you can just clean your brushes. So, walang masyadong effort that you will need to have. Yeah, so let's try naman this flat brush. Yan, so meron dito, yeah, this one, diba? The hindi naman siya tiny. Medyo tiny lang siya. Kasi the tiniest one is like this one. Yan, yung tiniest. Ayan. So, we'll put it here. Very convenient. Siguro ilang time mo lang siya gagawin. So, yan. Yan. So, kung may very pigmented talaga na sa brush nyo, I suggest that you soak it first muna sa soap, then soak it here. Pa-spin nyo muna siya, then that's it. Nice, no? Yeah. Okay, so when you clean the bowl, yan. So, ito, nilinis ko na. So, yun. So, sinabon ko lang siya and then natatanggal to. To remove this kasi kapag ito, yung lahat ng water mapupunta lang doon kasi meron siyang like that. Yan. So, you have to remove this and you just remove the rubber. And then, put it back again. So, yun lang naman siya, guys. When you put it back, makikita niyo yung merong partition si rubber here. So, you have to put it doon lang sa gitna. And that's it. So, yun. So, you have to use lang the cleaning cloth na pwede siyang i-dry up. Put it inside the box or just place it in your vanity na lang. Yan. Ako kasi nilalagay ko lang siya doon. So, anytime that I need a good clean for my brushes, yun. I will just fill it up and then, yun. Inisip ko na sila. So, that's it, guys, for my video for today. And I hope na meron kayong nakuha man lang na idea on what's the best makeup cleaner that you need to have in your lifetime so that makatipid kayo ng oras. Magkaroon pa kayo maraming time to just like me, na ayusin yung vanity and everything. So guys, so that's it for today. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, just give me some loving by liking it. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can be friends, and I'm open to any suggestions. Just leave your comments down below. So I see you on my next video. Bye!